Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to take a look at PayPal, which is a popular payment and merchant system. And when we select for PayPal and scroll down to the app details, what you'll notice is that PayPal only has triggers. So that something happens on PayPal, we can then have some kind of integration or automation with another application. One thing that PayPal does do is it subscribes individuals to particular lists on certain autoresponder companies with limitations. And that is that you can only do one at a time. However, with Zapier, you can do more than one at a time. So for example, you'll notice here that we have both Aweber and PayPal selected. That means then that when you have a customer that makes a purchase, that customer can be added then to your Aweber list. That customer could also be added though to GetResponse and to MailChimp. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a GetResponse contact every time there's a PayPal sale. And in order to do that, we're going to click Use this Zap. We're now going to click Create this Zap. So the trigger in this case will be a successful sale. We'll then click Continue. Now the key to understanding this particular Zap is going to be that we're going to be placing Zapier in the IPN settings inside of PayPal. The limitation that PayPal has is that we can only place one IPN URL in PayPal at a time. If we choose to use the Zapier IPN, that means then that we can use multiple applications with the same sale using PayPal. So what we'll need to do is we'll need to copy this URL to our clipboard, and then we'll need to connect to PayPal. So we're going to place that Zapier information inside of our IPN settings in PayPal and then click Save. Once we've done that, we're going to click Continue. And then we're going to test our PayPal trigger by fetching an existing sale. Our test is then successful, and we'll then click Continue. We're now going to create the action inside of GetResponse. We're going to test the account that we've added. It tests successful. We're now going to click Save and Continue. So we're now going to determine which list they're going to be added to when there is a successful sale. And once we've determined that, we'll then click Continue. We can then send the test to GetResponse. And once we've done that, we'll then click Finish. And now that our Zap is working and our IPN is set, we can then make it so that every sale that happens in PayPal goes to several different autoresponders by setting up different Zaps at this point. The key was setting up the Zapier webhook in the IPN settings. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.